You asked, how to divide 4096 by 3 using the long division method. 4 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Bring down 0, making 10. 10 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Bring down 9, making 19. 19 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 19 minus 18 equals 1. Bring down 6, making 16. 16 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 16 minus 15 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 1365 remainder 1.